Having just finished listening to some of Ayn Rand's original arguments, I was amazed at how much I was able to learn in just a few minutes by listening to her argument in and of itself. I've read things like The Fountainhead before. I never understood her true logic, but her logic is such a cold and bolted together thing that it's interesting to see that it's a bolted together thing that's based almost purely on assumptions that are not bolted together at all. The problem with that is that she bases her viewpoint on a self-interested point of view, which would not create any problems for some folks like Richard Dawkins until she gets into the idea that she has an individual that's identical with a person that she can base this self-interest on. Now, after her time, she came in, and there came into an existence the idea of the selfish gene, which is used in evolutionary studies frequently, that proves or moves toward the idea that selfishness doesn't necessarily have to originate in the idea of an individual. Without that idea, most of her argument becomes quite fictional, because I think it's based on logic applied to a fictional reality. So it's just interesting to see, and it's a wonderful thing to be able to find these videos that relate what is happening. So if I'd had Ayn Rand to tell me what her argument was and could engage her, or could engage others in discussions of that video, I could have learned so much more when I was younger. But as they say, that's now, then, this is now, and we have no problems with the new reality.